এটা কোনোদিন শেষ করতে, হ্যাঁ বাস। এখানে একটা জিনিসই শুধু বলা ছিল,
जिस कवि की कल्पना में जिंदगी हो प्रेम गीत, उस कवि को आज तुम नकार दो। भीगती मसों में आज फूलती रगों में आज आग की लपट का तुम बखार दो। वस्त्रों के झुंड बाज जंग की घड़ी की तुम दुहार दो। मान मान शान या की जान का उदान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो।
Divine feminine is central to our faith and tradition. Harmony in the universe can only be restored with the awakening of Goddess Shakti within ourselves and beyond. The oft-repeated verse of the Indian Puranas realize এটা দরকার নেই এখানে
विश्वकर्मासा विश्वधाय इन्द्रस्वाभागं सोमेन अग्नच्मि विष्णु हव्यां रक्षा
universe is born. By you, this world is created. O Devi, by you it is protected. Shakti, the epitome of the power of the feminine, of creation, sustenance, and change, is timeless. Today, Netaji Nagar College for Women presents a vignette on the reawakening of the inner Shakti within every woman. The Shakti that is forged by fire and is indestructible, invincible. Our humble endeavor is entitled, I Am Shakti. We attempt to trace Shakti through the voices of women down the ages, challenged relentlessly by societal hurdles, but emerging unscathed and victorious in the end, purified by the fire within. In this journey through raging oppression and subjugation, the voices of women of all ages past merge and consolidate with the voices of the present, becoming the unstoppable torrent today, unleashing the strength within and inspiring the women yet to inherit the earth.
Let us turn back in time when the concept of Shakti or feminine energy and power emerged through worship in prehistoric India. In the Vedic era, when Brahmavadini Gargi was warned by sage Yagnavalkya in a full court, ask no more, else your head shall fall off. Gargi held her peace. Her silence echoed in unison with all the other stifled voices of women throughout history. But her indisputable excellence in knowledge spoke for itself.
We turn now to look at Vishpala, the formidable warrior queen of the Rig Veda, whose indomitable spirit makes her fight battles even with a severed limb, transcending physical limitations with her valor.
आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो मान मान शान या की जान का उदान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो मान मान शान या की जान का उदान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड दया का भाव या कि शौर्य का चुनाव या कि हार का वो भाव तुम ये सोच लो या कि पूरे भाल पर चला रहे विजय का लाल लाल ये गुलाल तुम ये सोच लो रंग केसरी हो या मृदंग केसरी हो या कि केसरी हो लाल तुम ये सोच लो जिस कवि की कल्पना में जिंदगी हो प्रेम गीत उस कवि को आज तुम नकार दो भीगती मसों में आज फूलती रगों में आज आग की लपट का तुम बघार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो दान वान शान या की जान का वो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो
Out of the hearts of history's shame, I rise. Up from a past that's rooted in pain, I rise. Time rolls on inexorably. As the Vedic period draws to a close, women exiled from public spaces and confined to their homes became nothing more than possessions themselves. Just like Maya Angelou says, you may kill me with your hatefulness, but still, like air, I will rise. The indomitable spirit of Shakti is undying, indestructible, and eternal.
Centuries pass. The pages of history still keep on turning relentlessly. In the threshold of the 18th century, when the Imperial British have colonized our motherland and freedom lied in tatters, women wriggling in time's shadow and fighting a double-edged battle, both within and outside the home, emerged as the cynosure of public attention and discourse. By the mid-19th century, as mutiny and struggle for freedom of the motherland gained momentum, the air reverberated with songs of national pride and glory. Bards sang of the warrior spirit and courage of Indian women like Rani Lakshmibai. The Queen's tales of bravery resounded in the Bundelkhand thus.
बूढ़े भारत में भी आई फिर से नई जमाने की गुमी हुई आजादी की सबने पहचानी थी दूर फिरंगी को करने की सबने मन में ठानी थी चमक उठी 57 में वो तलवार पुरानी थी बुंदेले हर बोलो वो हमने सुनी कहानी थी खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी
हम वचन देते हैं अपनी छाती किसी को नहीं देंगे।
Bye.
Nari's battle cry, "मैं अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी," reverberated across the country, igniting minds, rapidly spreading and inflaming the minds of hundreds of other valiant women. Thus were born the likes of Begum Hazrat Mahal, Ura Devi, Pritilata Wadidar, and countless other indomitable spirits of the era.
As the politically separate domains continued to impinge on each other, iconic ladies like Rashundari Devi, Pandita Ramabai, and Begum Sakhawat Hussain waged their battles from the inner realms of the houses, alongside their sisters fighting wars on the political battlefield. India wins freedom. Women shines everywhere, be it science or technology, sports or culture. But the incidence of violence on women reaches its pinnacle. The oppression is multifaceted and fiercer than ever before. Women, with their wings snapped, fall from the sky of their dreams like little birds.
Dream of day and dream of watching you fade away. Feel me once, feel me twice, feel me won't watch you USA.
O Devi, we beseech you, liberate us, save us from ignominy, and help us rise and regain our glory. O Devi, empower us, enable us, educate us.
इथं यदा यदा वरदानवत्त भविष्यति तदा तदारवतीरो अहं करिष्यामि अरिषं स्वयं.
Whenever and wherever there is an emergence of obstacles and demons, at that time and in that place, I will destroy them all without a doubt.
লোক বিজয়ী মহিষাসুরকে বধ করবে কি? কে তুমি? কে তুমি নারী?
আমি দেবী আদ্যা শক্তি, সৃষ্টির আদি তথা অন্ত।
আমি আমায় বধ করবে কোন নারী? আমায় বধ করবে?
মূর্খ মহিষাসুর, যার হাতে সৃষ্টি, আমি সেই ব্রহ্মময়ী রণে আহ্বান জানাচ্ছি তোকে। আয়, যুদ্ধে আয় মহিষাসুর।
देवी प्रपन्नार्ति हरे प्रसीद प्रसीद विश्वेश्वरी पाहि विश्वं तमीश्वरी देवी चराचरस्य आधारो भूता जगतस्त्वामेका महिष्वरूपेण यथा स्थितासि अपां स्वरूपस्थितया तयुदपज्यते कृष्णमलं भविर्जे त्वां वैष्णवी शक्तिरनन्त बीजा विश्वस्त बीजं परमासि मया सन्मोहितं देवी समस्तमिदत्तं वै प्रसन्न भुविर् मुक्ति हेतु विद्या समस्तास्तव देवी भेदा स्त्रिया समस्ता सकला जगत्सु तयैकया पूरितं वयैतर काते स्तुति सर्वपरा परोक्ति सर्वभूत यदा देवी सर्वमुक्ति प्रदायिनी कां स्तुता स्तुता एका वा भवन्तु परो मुक्तय सर्वस्व बुद्धिरूपेण जनस्य हृदि संस्थिते सर्गापवर्गदे देवी नारायणी नमस्तुते.
Shakti, the divine feminine, is central to our faith and tradition. Harmony in the universe can only be restored with the awakening of Goddess Shakti within ourselves and beyond. The divine energy adopts many forms and faces, each representing different elements of the Goddess Shakti embodied within women. Come, let us rise as one like the phoenix and restore the balance. Let us bring about a resurgence and shine with justice, peace, and love.
भक्तानं सुखदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि विशो जयि धूम्रनेत्रवधे देवी धर्म कामार्थदायिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जयि रक्तबीज वध देवी चंडमुंड विनाशिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि येषु
I am a girl of the new age. I am not feeble nor powerless. I am Adi Shakti. I am Ambika. Shakti, however, is not gender specific. We salute all those men whose Shakti has enabled and still enables women of today to rise up. Thank you.
Just like Maya Angelou says, you may kill me with your hatefulness, but still, like air, I will rise. The indomitable spirit of Shakti is undying, indestructible, and eternal.
Ruta भक्तानं सुखदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जयि धूम्रनेत्र वधे देवी धर्म कामार्थदायिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जयि रक्तबीज वध देवी चंडमुंड विनाशिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि निशुंभ
I am a girl of the new age. I am not feeble nor powerless. I am Adi Shakti. I am Ambika. Shakti, however, is not gender specific. We salute all those men whose Shakti has enabled and still enables women of today to rise up. Thank you.